Curious to discover the essence of an LSPM student's life? Join us on a whirlwind journey through a day brimming with knowledge, connections, and the vibrant pulse of London. From dynamic classroom interactions to forging lasting connections with fellow scholars, every moment is a stepping stone towards a brighter future. And when the books are closed, the adventure begins. Embark on a voyage of discovery, where every corner reveals a new chapter of London's rich tapestry. At LSPM, education transcends boundaries. Join us as we redefine the narrative of higher learning in the heart of one of the world's most vibrant cities. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.